This is the second time Rachel blank to leave me a message. Forgot, has forgotten, did forget, forgets. Ang lagi niyo lang tatandaan dito is kapag merong ganito, this is the second time, first time, 10th time, nth time. Basta this is, tapos yung kung pang ilang beses siya, ang gagamitin ninyo ay present perfect. Formula ng present perfect, has or have plus past participle. Since meron tayong Rachel dito, singular noun, gagamitin natin ay has, and then yung past participle ng forget, which is forgotten. So, answer is letter B. This is the second time Rachel has forgotten to leave me a message. Now, halimbawa, itong is, naging was na. Halimbawa, that was the second time, blah, blah, blah. Ang gagamitin nyo na, instead na present perfect, since was na nga yung tinutukoy mo, is past perfect na. So, magiging had forgotten na siya. If lang na that was yung nakalagay.